Hallo Truckfreunde.
Hello truck friends, today I have our MAN TGM from model year 2024 with me. This vehicle will allow us to meet the legal registration requirements from July 2024. The MAN OptiView mirror replacement system, turn assist and lane change support are now also available. We will take a closer look at these assistance systems and MAN Powermatic today. In the light and medium series also, all conventional mirrors can be replaced by 5 cameras. That is unique in this class. The 2 displays are optimally positioned in terms of distance and direction. Emission of the mirrors significantly enlarges my field of vision through the side windows. The viewing area of the main wide-angle and curved mirrors of the side cameras are digitally merged into a continuous image without any object duplication. Support by means of guidelines is particularly helpful for estimating the vehicle dimensions. To ensure correct individual adjustment of the vehicle, I have placed a high-visibility waistcoat at the rear of the vehicle. I can manually adjust the guidelines to the width and length of the vehicle using the door control modules. The area in front of the vehicle is very clearly visible with the front camera. MAN OptiView therefore offers excellent all-round visibility. In distribution transport in particular, there is frequent maneuvering and reversing. The new reversing motion system helps me with this. A camera monitors the rear in accordance with future legal requirements. When reverse gear is engaged, the rear view automatically appears. This also happens when the vehicle rolls back even slightly. The reversing motion system completes the complete all-round view of the vehicle, and the camera and display are optimally integrated into MAN OptiView. You can see how well the field of vision is covered by all the cameras when a person walks around the vehicle. They are always visible on at least one screen. At speeds up to 30 km per hour, MAN Turn Assist monitors the area on the co-driver's side of the vehicle using radar sensors. If a cyclist enters the warning zone, for example, the system warns me by means of the orange warning corners. In the event of a possible collision, a warning frame is displayed. In addition, I receive an acoustic warning if a reaction is necessary. On the TGL and TGM, the 2 radar sensors are installed separately in order to avoid contact with fold-down sidewalls. Every lane change requires special attention. The assistance system detects the vehicle lane and the radar sensors on both sides monitor the lanes to the right and left. A frame appears on the display when a vehicle is in the warning zone. If I steer into the occupied adjacent lane despite the warning and there is a risk of collision, the warning frame flashes and a warning signal sounds. If I do not react sufficiently, corrective steering torque is applied in the highest warning level. Lane change collision avoidance assist therefore takes the strain off me as a driver, not only in long-distance transport but also in distribution applications. The system is active from around 30 km per hour. Our new automatic gearbox for model year 2024 is also our new standard gearbox, the MAN Powermatic. Its advantages are its driving comfort, efficiency, and ease of use. The Powermatic is an 8-speed gearbox with a hydrodynamic torque converter. For powerful moving off, the torque converter delivers up to twice the torque. The gearbox has its own oil cooler. This is located below the gearbox behind the oil sump. The driving strategy and gearbox design have been developed by MAN. Urban distribution transport with frequent moving off places particularly high loads on dry clutches. Here, MAN Powermatic is the solution for wear-free moving off and maneuvering. The Powermatic gearbox is operated in the usual way via the drop arm, just like with the Tipmatic. The driving programs can also be selected here. I notice a new feature as soon as I drive off. As soon as the brake pedal is released, the TGM starts rolling slightly. This is the same as for passenger cars with an automatic gearbox. Operation of the accelerator is very sensitive, and the torque converter can be controlled with fantastic precision. The torque converter delivers high torque immediately from standstill. Thanks to the multi-disc clutches running in an oil bath, gear changes can be performed under load without any interruption in traction. Acceleration is improved by up to 15% compared to previously. With MAN Powermatic, you can also drive in traffic jams without any wear time and time again. The display shows me the activity of the converter. From 10 km per hour, a rigid mechanical connection is established between the input and output sides. There are no slip losses. The MAN Powermatic allows driving with a lower minimum RPM, which means that the vehicle can be driven in a higher gear. This can reduce fuel consumption by up to 1.4%. It is also possible to move off very precisely on uphill gradients. Powermatic selects the right gear depending on the vehicle load and incline. There is no interruption in tractive force during shifting, which enables faster acceleration. But driving comfort has not just been improved uphill, the same is also true when driving downhill. When braking, the driveline is always closed and never fully open. This means continuous engine braking power is available. Maneuvering is also easier than ever before. Using the drop arm, I can already engage reverse gear and park directly in reverse when rolling forwards. Different maneuvering speeds can be controlled very precisely. The torque converter transmits a constant torque, so I can maneuver very well with the brake pedal without pressing the accelerator. We have now tested the MAN Powermatic in various distribution transport applications. This gearbox is also unique in its class for use in municipal transport, for example in fire service or refuse collector vehicles. The TGM for model year 2024 has once again taken a great step forward. In this way, we demonstrate our commitment to the highest standards of safety and efficiency across all model series. Thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed it again. See you soon.